Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to disconnect your Jeep Renegade battery safely. Before starting, prioritize your safety by wearing protective gear like safety glasses and gloves. It is crucial to ensure your vehicle's ignition is completely off and the keys are out. Also, remove any metal jewelry to avoid accidental electrical shorts. These simple precautions will help prevent injury and protect your vehicle's electrical system. Now, let's locate your Jeep Renegade's battery. In most Renegade models, you will find the battery conveniently located under the hood, usually on the passenger side of the engine bay. If you are ever unsure, your owner's manual provides the precise location. Once found, identify the terminals. The positive terminal often has a red cover and a plus sign, while the negative terminal typically has a black cover and a minus sign. To begin the disconnection, grab a 10mm wrench or socket. Always start by loosening the nut on the negative terminal first, turning it counterclockwise. Once loose, carefully lift the negative cable off the battery post and secure it away from any metal. Then, use your 10mm tool to loosen and remove the positive terminal. Finally, remove the battery hold-down strap, which usually requires a 13mm socket. When it's time to reconnect your battery, reverse the order. First, attach the positive terminal and tighten its nut securely. Next, connect the negative terminal and ensure it is also tightly fastened. Double-check that the battery hold-down strap is firmly in place to prevent movement. If you noticed any corrosion during the process, clean the terminals with a wire brush and a baking soda solution for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.